Hi, I am Malik Uzair. Welcome to Codemaster. Today I am going to discuss how to retrieve record from database. In our previous lecture, we discussed how to create a database, how to create a table in a database, and how to insert a record in a database. I am going to show you here in our code database we insert student table, then we insert a record id, first name, second name. Here you can see id is int, first name is string, second name is also string. Now I tell you why I use these words int, string and string. So now go to my compiler. This is the application. The first thing you need to do to connect to every program with database, retrieve, insert, update, you must need to import SQL package. Import java.sql.static. This package must be import into your program. The second thing, your application throws any exception, because here I prefer to use journal exception, because when I run our application it show me which error caught, which exception caught. Now there might be exception, then we write our code in try catch. So then second step is load the driver, a class. From the class method for name, here we give com.mysql.jdbc.driver. By using this string you can load your driver. Then the third step, you must use these steps in every program where you can update, delete, retrieve, insert data into your database. The third step is connection object reference variable con. By using driver manager class, here you can see driver manager class has many methods, but you can use get connection, which return the connection time variable. It takes 3 arguments: URL, username and password. What is URL? URL is the URL of your local host of your database. What is this? This is JDBC :mysql :localhost port number. What is port? Port here we use that shown in our XAMPP server, XAMPP control panel. So then our code database. The second parameter it takes username. Username is root default username. You can also set your own username and password, but here I use default username. The third is password is default. Okay, then the fourth step is a statement variable or prepared statement variable. Here I prefer to use statement variable because we are going to retrieve data. The statement creates statement variable by using, then we execute a query. We write query in our execute query method, but in our previous lecture we write query in our prepare statement. We prepare statement on the runtime, but here when we write the code we execute query, write our whole query at the time when we code. Here statement variable st. By using connection variable create statement method, here we can take statement variable. When you retrieve data from the database, it return as a result set. Here we take result set object by using statement dot by using statement object we execute a query. Execute query. Here we given a query select. What we need to select? Static, all the data in our table, all the data in our table in code database. From we create student table in our code database. Here you can see our code database. Here student table, here is the record, so we can retrieve how it happened. So when you execute this statement, the first column retrieve and store in result set, then second column, then third column, then because so we need a loop, while loop, it must execute one time. So result dot next method, so result set next method it is used to specific column, increment our column, first column, then second, then third, then last one. If you are using 7 column, then by using next column you can reach you 7th column. Here I am going to discuss system dot out dot printf. It works as you used printf in C language. So what is format? Here the first field is integer, no, then space string, then space, then string, int integer, string string, then we need to write argument result dot, if in id is int, so we need get int. Here integer is first column id, result dot get string, string is second column first name, dot get string, third column last name. Here complete. One thing I think we write here title of system dot title of these things, print ln, okay. First is id, then is first name, then second name, okay. So here is catch statement, think here catch statement, catch block exception journal e dot print stack trace. Here we close our connections statement, clear not close. Compiler gives you hints, so con dot cl close. Here our code is ready to run, so see what happened, run our code. Here you can see id 1, first name Malik and second is Ahmed. Here you can see in table first id, first Malik, Ahmed. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos.